without thinking of the interest of Prabhupada, one should not simply take up so many things and then, consume all the time for that. That is a Maya, that's how she comes. Okay, somebody says, you're working, we'll give you an increment, but you cannot go home till 8 o'clock. Before that, you used to come at 6 o'clock home. They'll give you, I'll make you a team leader, now you cannot go till 8 o'clock. You should take a considered choice. Do I want that? For giving a few thousands more, if it is required for subsistence, you have to take. You have to make intelligent choices. I don't think it makes any difference that much for me. But I don't want to lose 2 hours. I want to come and sit and read 2 hours Prabhupada's books. So one of the ways in which in Kali Yuga we are trapped, devotees also get trapped, is by not having time. So first we have to hit upon that. Strictly have some liberated time. It's a spiritual luxury to have that. And you chant Hare Krishna, you'll get it. But if you don't look for it, you don't get it. And if you don't look for it, you can get entangled more and more. More and more.